welcome to my crib. Welcome to my crib. I am so excited for this video, like so excited. And it's crazy because this is not my first apartment, it's not my second apartment, but like this apartment just hits so different because this is like my first real adult place. It's not college, it's not roommates, and it's just all me. And I worked super hard for this. It's literally a dream to have a place in the city to call my own. So I'm so excited, and I'm even more excited to show y'all my fully furnished and designed apartment tour, because if y'all did not know, I got my degree in interior architecture and design at Florida State University, Gold Nose. And honestly, that is my passion. Like, I love interior design. I love flipping homes. If y'all saw my last college apartment, I'm gonna post like a picture like here or something like that. Like, I love doing that, and I'm just so excited to like do this whole entire place. Like, I keep saying I'm excited, so I'm gonna just stop. But follow my design Instagram page because I'm gonna be revamping that, and I'm gonna be showing y'all behind the scenes and sneak peeks before I post my fully furnished apartment tour. So go ahead and do that if y'all are interested in seeing that, and subscribe to my channel too, because obviously I'm gonna be posting on here. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all so much. I talk too much. I know y'all are here to see my place, so bye. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm so excited. Yes. Okay, so like when you first enter, you're in this little foyer area, and then to the left is the electrical closet. I tried to use my key to get in there, but it was not working, so I really hope there's nothing up in there, because yeah, I'm scary. And then to the right, these two double doors lead to the laundry closet. So it's just a double washer and dryer, and there's some storage on top. I did not see that. What is this? I don't even know what that means. But yeah, just a washer and dryer. So again, this is like the front entryway right here. That's the front door, the laundry closet, and then the electrical closet. So moving on, this wall right here, I really want to make this like a gallery wall, but I'm not going to give y'all too much tea, because just know my furnished apartment tour is going to be real lit and it's going to be real cute. So yeah, I'm thinking about doing a gallery wall here, and then right here is the alarm system, you know, safety first. I'm really happy that this apartment came with this, because I know a lot of them you have to like add it on or go through another company, so that's really cool. And then it's a smart home. I literally don't know how to use the Nest. My last apartment had a Nest, but I did not know how to use it for real, so we're gonna learn how to use it. But moving on, you're gonna come to this door on the left, and this door is the restroom. Hey y'all, it's the bathroom. There's a garden tub, toilet, and then this vanity. I really love how deep these drawers are, because honestly, I need as much storage as possible. I have so much stuff, and I'm already like worried about how like all my stuff is gonna fit in this apartment, but we're gonna make it work, y'all. But yeah, just a standard bathroom. I love the flooring and the finishes in this apartment. The color palette is like really like neutral, so you can really do anything without it looking crazy. So moving on, right here, so this apartment is like, it's technically a studio. It's like a studio slash one bedroom. So it's considered a studio because it doesn't have doors, but hint hint, I'm gonna add doors. LOL, watch my furnished apartment tour. But yeah, so I like this studio apartment because it's still separated from the common area. Like, you're able to still have your own little separate space, and it's not like you're sharing it with your living room, which is super cool. And it's a nice sized bedroom. Real cute. That leads to the kitchen, and then you have the view of the bathroom. And then, like I said, I really want to make that a gallery wall. That'll be really cute. And I'm also going to be adding, well, I already said this, but I'm going to add some what is it called, barn doors right here. Y'all gonna see, real cute. And then I'm probably gonna add like a dresser here. I don't know if I'm gonna do a desk or a dresser because, yeah. But over here is the closet. It's a standard size closet. These boxes right here are super awkward, but it's the cable and the Wi-Fi, so I guess, child. I also love that there's hardwood floors all throughout because it'll be easy to clean, and I don't know, I just like hardwood over carpet. I like that. So moving on, y'all, to my favorite, oh my gosh, all that stuff right here, don't look. So my favorite room in the house, the common area, y'all. Look how bright this is. Just bright and open. I love it. This is like the living room area. I was trying to take my bar picture. I should have moved that, but it's cool though. So let's just get into this kitchen, y'all. This kitchen is what sold me. Like, it is just so bright and open. I love it so much. And this bar, like, I literally can't. So I really, like, this was #1 on my list of must-haves when I was looking for my apartment. Like, I had to have a bar because I just like how it serves its purpose as, like, you know, like a little eating nook, but also you can use this for cooking and just anything else. It's just, especially being a small apartment, like, this extra counter space is very beneficial. I love it. Oh, y'all, so my apartment has valet trash, which is super cool, but I feel like this trash can is so ugly, like, and I have nowhere to put it because I really have storage, so I'm gonna have to deal with it, but yeah. So I love the finishes in this kitchen. Like, I think this is laminate. I don't know if it's laminate or wood, but it's so nice, and I love the hardware. It's super modern. And there's so much cabinet space in this kitchen. Like, it's just so many cabinets, so much. The refrigerator is all stainless steel appliances. My fridge is empty right now, obviously, but we gonna stock up, you already know. Just a standard fridge and freezer. The dishwasher is right here. Also empty. And then, okay, so this backsplash, like, let's get into it. I love it. It's so modern. I was iffy about it at first because it's kind of like a bluish, kind of like an ocean blue, and I feel like it wouldn't match with like the colors that I want to have in here, but honestly it's fine. It's very modern and neutral, and it just like really puts this place together, and I love how it reflects the light from outside. It's just so bomb. And then, oh my gosh, this faucet. So okay, funny story, when I toured this place, they had this like baby faucet, and I'm like, what, how you gonna have a baby faucet with these deep sinks? So I was looking on Amazon for like faucets like this, and I have some in my wish list, and I was about to buy it on Black Friday, but I'm like, nah, let me wait. And then I come in here, and y'all, this is so bomb. I don't know if like the last people that lived in here put this in here, but if y'all did, thank you so much, because it's so cute. I love it. And it's a double sink. They're deep. Love it. It's some water in there because I was playing with the water and I didn't realize that the stoppers are in there, but I'm not putting my fingers in there, so. Moving on, I really love this flat electric stove. I've always had gas stoves, and I just like the flat top. I feel like it's modern. And then here's the oven. We're gonna be baking in here. Just kidding, probably not. And then, you know, the microwave. Real cute. So this pantry, y'all, this pantry, there is so much storage. Like, I'm literally not gonna have this much food in this apartment. I'm just not, but maybe I will. Maybe I'll start like cooking more and buying more food, because it's a ridiculous amount of storage in here. There's even storage in this bar. Like, I'm probably gonna use this bar storage for like my extra stuff that I have, because there's no way I'm gonna fill this up with food. But yeah, y'all, overall, this is the kitchen. I almost fell. Love the kitchen. It's literally my favorite. so the living room. So the living room, again, please ignore that, but the living room is really just this long wall. So I plan to make this wall kind of like the entertainment wall with the TV and other stuff. Y'all will see when I'm done. It's about to be bomb. I'm so excited for this wall, honestly. And then this wall, I'm gonna put my couch up against here. I'm gonna find a cute little sectional. And then over here, I'm trying to figure out if I want to do like a desk, like vanity kind of area, and like section these spaces out, or do like a high top chair and table and make it like a mini bar. What do y'all think I should do? Comment below. But I do want to like separate. Sorry y'all, my camera shut off on me, but I was saying I'm probably not gonna have a couch like this long, so I kind of want to separate these spaces and utilize this space a little bit. So yeah, this is the living room. Okay, so these doors and windows, oh my gosh. So this was another must-have in my apartment. I had to have a lot of natural light. Like, it was a must-have. It was a must-have. And this was so perfect. And even though this is a studio apartment, these windows bring in so much light throughout the space, like even into the bedroom. For the bedroom to not have windows, it's super bright in here. And I love it so much. Also, the view is super nice too. It's kind of cool, so I'm gonna show y'all real quick. And it's a Juliet balcony, so I can't really like sit out here, but it's still so nice. There's a Mercedes-Benz Stadium right there. That's super cool. All right, it's cold, let's go. So yeah, y'all, this was my apartment. Comment below how y'all feel about it. I really want to know what your opinion is and what your favorite room is. Obviously the kitchen was mine, but I want to know how y'all feel about this and how y'all feel about studio apartments, because honestly I was kind of iffy about it, but when I saw this one I was like, yeah, no, I have to get this. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for watching my video and tuning into my channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. And again, if you're interested in watching me on this journey to flipping my apartment and seeing the behind the scenes and all the, DIYs, follow my design page right here. I will also add it in the description below. Love y'all. There's literally a ladybug crawling inside of my apartment, and I just got my keys, and that means good luck. Oh my gosh. Like, I cannot.